Now I am going to show you how to update the data in the database. In order to update data, I am going to create a function here, public function update, and here I will write the update query code. Here I am going to create a route that I am going to give the name update, and here update function I am going to call. Now here I will update the data. You know that when I added the insert, what I did, I will do similar thing, that is I am going to call the students table, db table students. Then in the case of update I will have to use the where, and then I will have to give the update data parameter here. Which things will be updated I will give here. For example, data equal to an array, and I am going to update my name here. So my name, what is, or the student name, what is given in the students, first one is Arifin. Now I am going to change it. For example, this will be Murshidul Arifin. Okay, and another one here, that is the age 30, I am going to make it 32, for example. So here I am going to update the age also, and the new age will be 32. Now how I can update this data, I will pass as the parameter into the update, and where is which student will be updated, I am going to give the ID. For example, the ID, where ID equal to 1. So from the students table I will update this data where ID equal to 1. That means this row will be updated. Now if I give here student update this one, now I am going to here, and you will see that the name has been changed. That means the data is updated successfully. So I hope you have understood how to update data in the database table using the query builder system.